G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today I'm going to show you how to prime an old school Holden oil pump. So this is a General Motors Holden 308 high volume oil pump. Whether you have a red, blue or black 253 or 308, if you replace your oil pump you need to pack it with Vaso, grease or assembly lube. Otherwise you can crank this thing from arsehole to breakfast time and it's not going to suck any oil. Now you can leave it together and just shove Vaso into the inlet hole like I'm doing here, wind it on a little bit and suck it in, or you can open it up and pack it straight into the rotors, which is a hell of a lot easier, but you might not want to pull the bloody thing apart.
You just don't get that stuff on your dick or you'll come 3 times trying to wash it off. Ask me how I know.
Thanks for that. Anyway, the other way you could prime the pump is to submerge the whole thing into oil and turn the rotors around, but this is not something I want to do when I have to lay underneath the bloody thing to put it on. So that's why most people you'll find will just stuff them full of Vaso and grease. Alright, well there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's it for today. Yous all be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.